Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between the AGLUCKY Ice Maker and the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker. Both of these machines promise to deliver fresh ice quickly and efficiently, but which one truly stands out? We'll explore their features, performance, and value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Sweetcrispy model is the clear winner at $79. Making it a more budget-friendly option compared to the AGLUCKY, which is priced at $99. For those looking to save some money while still getting a high-quality ice maker, the Sweetcrispy offers excellent value. Both ice makers boast an impressive daily production rate of 26 pounds of ice. However, the Sweetcrispy has a slight edge with its guaranteed 6-minute ice cycle time, while the AGLUCKY takes 6 to 8 minutes. This makes the Sweetcrispy a better choice for those who need ice quickly. In terms of size, the Sweetcrispy is more compact and lighter, weighing only 13.78 pounds compared to the AGLUCKY's 16 pounds. This makes the Sweetcrispy a great option for those with limited counter space or for users who plan to take their ice maker on the go. In conclusion, both the AGLUCKY and Sweetcrispy ice makers are excellent choices for anyone in need of a reliable ice-making solution. While the AGLUCKY offers robust features and a self-cleaning function, the Sweetcrispy stands out for its affordability, compact size, and faster ice production. We hope this comparison helps you choose the right ice maker for your needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.